Hello my lovelies, welcome back. So I'll be doing a bit of vlogging for you guys because I have not done any vlogs in a very long time. So I'll be taking you on my day-to-day, routine, what I do during the day. Right now I'm off to the gym. I don't have my shoes on as yet, but I'm off to the gym. Your girl's gotta get her body tight and right. So I'm off to the gym and yeah. And stick around to see what else I'll be up to for the rest of this vlog. I do hope you enjoy. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and turn the notifications on. Bye-bye. So guys, I am off to the gym. I'm running a little late, but better late than never. We're gonna work this body out, honey. It's 2020 and we wanna have that fit body and we also wanna be healthy, so I'm trying to see if I can be very good about this gym thing because I kind of slacked off a bit as we all do. So I'm trying to get back into the routine and all that. So let's get it for 2020. See you guys later on. Hey guys, so I am back from the gym. I had a really nice workout and I feel really good. I absolutely enjoy working out because it kind of does something for my mental and also my physical, and I always feel so good after a nice workout. And when I say gym, I don't do the gym itself. I do like legs, bums and tums and body pump, and I also do Zumba because I find them easier to follow and I enjoy them as well. So this is what I usually do, getting out of breath. So I go to the gym classes 3 times a week. So I do legs, bums and tums Tuesdays, body pump Thursdays, and Zumba Saturdays. And maybe sometimes I'll do a little run walk or something like that in between just to keep things going. Now, what else do I want to talk to you about? So I came back from the gym and I rested for maybe 10-20 minutes and then I had some breakfast, and as you can see, I'm going to show you a clip of the breakfast. What I had for breakfast was something very light because I had a banana before the gym, so that kept me going. And then when I came back, I had, sorry, can you see me? I had 1 egg and half a plantain. I love plantain so much and it's so hard to get sometimes. So I buy a few of them sometimes and cut them up in half and like eat half, like fry half and then have an egg with that. And that's what I had for breakfast. I know, boring, but that was my breakfast this morning and I totally enjoyed it. And after that, I had a cup of coffee with my breakfast, which was good. And I'm supposed to, I should go have some water soon. But yeah, I had a cup of coffee. And then I just, can you guys see me? And then I sat down for a little while and, got my breath back. And then I washed the dishes because I don't have a dishwasher. So I washed the dishes and I tidied the kitchen. And then here I am still in my gym clothes. Haven't done anything as yet, anything in particular except for going to the gym, which was really good. I am still sore from Tuesday because I went to the gym on Tuesday and I'm so sorry guys. Like, I've been really slacking over the Christmas break, as we all do. I mean, it's Christmas, man. So yeah, I've slacked off a bit, but I'm back and I want to be more consistent because I need to stay in shape and I need to stay healthy and fit. So yes, my gym times are 3 times a week and sometimes I'll add another day if I feel up to it. So what else I want to talk to you guys about? So yeah, so I had breakfast and I will show you guys what I'm having for lunch, but I'm not quite sure about dinner because I may not be home. I may or may not be home for dinner, but if I am home for dinner, I will show you guys what I have for dinner, but I will definitely show you what I have for lunch, which is coming up in the next few hours. Of course, my time, local time, Antigua time. I'll keep you guys posted on what I had for lunch, and I'm not quite sure about dinner. I'll let you know as well. But for today, I am going to be catching up on a few YouTube videos, and it's so many videos to watch sometimes because I know that a lot of you are active and you have like maybe 5 videos, 5 days a week you do videos, so it's really hard to keep up, but I try my best. And also I'll be checking in on my businesses because you do know that I have 2 businesses. I've got Shaunz Beauty and I've got Shaunz Boutique. So I'll be checking on those because I like to see what's going on and stuff. And it's just me, myself, and I who run my businesses, and I can tell you guys that it's not easy because I have to be the photographer, the editor, the builder, the stylist. I have to be everything running my businesses, and also, you know, I make YouTube videos, so I have my hands full. And of course I do Instagram as well, so I'm always like doing, you know, makeup looks for Instagram and stuff like that. And I really want to up my Instagram some more because it's not been growing a lot. So I want to start working on my Instagram some more. I want to go harder on Instagram. So what I have done, right, I saw somebody posted 30 days of makeup. So basically it's makeup ideas for 30 days. So what I'm going to do is write every single one of them out on paper, put them in a Ziploc bag or something like that, shake it up, and whatever I pick is what I do. So I will do that for Instagram, and I'll incorporate that into my YouTube makeup looks, so it gives me an idea of what looks, because sometimes I get dry, darling, and I don't know what to do. So that's very helpful because it gives you like different ideas and different makeup themes and stuff like that to do. So I find that very, very helpful. So let me know, you guys, if you know, if you want to see me do like step outside of the box a bit when it comes on to makeup, let me know. Also, another question I want to ask you guys is, do you want me to start back my lookbooks? Because I used to do a lot of lookbooks, but I realized that you guys weren't really interested in them, and I don't know why. Because part of my channel is not only beauty, it's also fashion, and I love fashion, as you may gather. So I loved doing lookbooks and my outfits of the day and night and stuff like that. But I've stopped doing them because I wasn't getting a lot of feedback and the views were crap. So I stopped doing them. But I miss doing them so much, and I want to come back with my hauls. I want to come back with my spring hauls because winter is just so I can't wait for spring, summer to bring you guys some looks and some hauls. I really want to get back into that. So please guys, in the comment section, let me know if you want me to come back with my lookbooks and hauls and outfits of the day and stuff like that. I really want to know if you guys want to see those. I really, really miss doing them. And also, if you have any ideas of what you want me to do, let me know in the comment section as well, because, you know, we run out of ideas sometimes and we like to hear from you guys. So go ahead and let me know in the comment section. So what else do I have to tell you guys? I don't have anything else to tell you guys except I am feeling great today. Last couple of days haven't been very good for me. I was, you know, it was not good. It was a rough couple of days because, you know, several things happened, and not to me, but, you know, people in my life and stuff. So it hasn't been very good, but, you know, in God we trust, and we move along, and we hope for the best, and we hope that things will get better. Oh, my hand is hurting. So anyways guys, I'm sorry to be like this in front of you. I'm just coming from the gym and I'm feeling good. My hair is really wet, so I'm going to let that dry out and wash it over the weekend. And I'm trying to get my hair braided actually, so I'll try and see if I can get that done. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to sign off from this video right now, but I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm up to for the rest of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and have a shower and check on my businesses, as I said, and check and see if I can watch a few videos and some messages and check my email and stuff like that. But also, what do I want to say? I want to start making more videos as well, because I've been making one video a week and I want to up that as well. But it's just to find the time and have the ideas. So I'm trying to, you know, basically up that. So this is like an update of what I want to do on my channel. Basically, I want to start doing, as I said, I want to put all the ideas of the 30 days of makeup on a piece of paper and do like a draw, and whatever look I pick in front of you is what I'm going to do. Lord have mercy, that's going to be hard. And then also I want to start doing my lookbooks again. So yes, that is it. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This is like an update and what I did today, and basically things like that. So if you like these type of videos, go ahead and let me know. Whatever you want to see, you guys, let me know as well, and I will try and do them. So thank you so much for watching today. This is kind of a chilled, relaxed vibe, and you know, a little time to tell you guys what I'm up to. So yes, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to your girls channel. Don't forget, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn the notifications on, make sure that you comment, and of course, thumbs up. I want to see the thumbs up button. I want to see more of that. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Hey guys, so for my lunch I'll be having a cheese sandwich. So I have my David Stowe cheese right here. I love this cheese. Then I'm going to put some tomato and chili chutney on it, and I have my butter here, and of course my brown bread. Okay, so it's going to be roast chicken thighs for dinner. So these are the ingredients I used. So I used a bit of curry just for flavor, and I used this Spice Supreme, and I also used this here as well, and sprinkled that all over my chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry these a bit, brown them in the pan, and then I'm going to put them in an oven dish and roast them for about 30 minutes. So for veggies, we have bok choy here, and I'm going to do some cabbage with that. Then a very small portion of mashed potatoes. I'm going to chop these up together and saute them, and of course I'm going to boil these and mash them later on.